Want to speak Thai like an affair the series? Let's learn the key phrases fast and easy. Love learning Thai? Hit like and subscribe for more quick lessons. Let's get started.
เอ้าวันนี้ไม่ไปเล่นดนตรีเหรอเอ้าวันนี้ไม่ไปเล่นดนตรีเหรอ
Means, aren't you going to play music today?
วันนี้
Means today.
ไม่
Means not and
ไป
means go so.
ไม่ไป
Means not going.
เล่นดนตรี
Means to play music.
เล่น
Means to play and
ดนตรี
means music.
หรอ
Is typically used in everyday conversations when you want to ask something like, really? Or, is that so? It can also be used to express mild surprise or disbelief, much like how you'd say, right? Or, aren't you, in English.
เอ้าวันนี้ไม่ไปเล่นดนตรีเหรอเอ้าวันนี้ไม่ไปเล่นดนตรีเหรอทานข้าวมาหรือยัง
Means, have you eaten yet?
ทาน
Is a polite or formal word for to eat in Thai. It is often used in formal settings or when speaking politely to others.
ข้าว
Literally means rice. However, asking someone if they have eaten, it is equivalent to asking if they've had a meal. Rice is a staple food in Thailand, so the word is often used as a shorthand for any meal.
มา
Generally means to come, but it can also function as a tense indicator to express that an action has already been completed or took place in the past. In this case, it implies that the question is asking if the action, eating, has already been done.
หรือยัง
Is commonly used in Thai to ask whether someone has done something yet or if something has already happened. It's a key phrase for forming yes-no questions about completed actions or expected events.
หรือ
This word means or, but is used in questions to introduce a polite inquiry or ask for confirmation.
ยัง
This word means yet or still. When combined with
หรือ
it forms a question asking if something has been done yet.
ทานข้าวมาหรือยังยังอ่ะเขากินไม่ค่อยลงอ่ะยังอ่ะเขากินไม่ค่อยลงอ่ะ
Means not yet. I don't feel like eating much, or I'm not able to eat much.
ยัง
Means not yet, indicating that an action or event has not occurred.
อ่ะ
This is a casual particle often used to soften the tone of a sentence, making it sound informal or conversational. Cap. In informal or colloquial Thai, it is often used to refer to oneself in a cute or informal way, meaning I.
กิน
Means to eat.
ไม่ค่อย
Means not much.
ลง
Literally means to go down or to descend. When paired with
กิน
it refers to the ability to swallow food comfortably.
ยังอ่ะเขากินไม่ค่อยลงอ่ะยังอ่ะเขากินไม่ค่อยลงอ่ะทำไมอ่ะไม่สบายเหรอ
Means why? Aren't you feeling well?
ทำไม
Means why?
ไม่สบายหรอ
means, are you not feeling well, or are you sick?
ไม่
This is a negation particle meaning not.
สบาย
Means comfortable or well.
หรอ หรอ
As I explained earlier, it is a question particle used to ask for confirmation.
ทำไมอ่ะ ไม่สบายเหรอ ทำไมอ่ะ ไม่สบายเหรอ เขาจริงจังนะ เขาจริงจังนะ
Means, I am serious.
จริงจัง จริงจัง
Means serious.
นะ นะ
This particle often serves to make a sentence milder or less abrupt by seeking approval, agreement, or compromise.
เขาจริงจังนะ เขาจริงจังนะ เพลงนี้ไม่ใช่ของใคร เพลงนี้ไม่ใช่ของใคร
Means, this song doesn't belong to anyone, or this song isn't anyone's.
เพลงนี้ เพลงนี้
Means, this song.
เพลง
Means, song. And
นี้
means, this.
ไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่
Means is not, or not to be.
ของ ของ
Shows possession or belonging, meaning of, or belonging to.
ใคร ใคร
Means who or anyone.
เพลงนี้ไม่ใช่ของใคร เพลงนี้ไม่ใช่ของใคร มันเป็นเพลงของเธอ มันเป็นเพลงของเธอ
Means, it's your song, or it is a song for you.
มัน มัน
Is mainly used to refer to animals or things like it in English. However, when used for people in informal or derogatory contexts, it is considered impolite and disrespectful, and is generally avoided in polite or formal speech.
เป็น เป็น
Means to be, it is always followed by a noun or noun phrase. It cannot be followed by an adjective.
เพลง เพลง
Means song.
ของ ของ
Indicates possession, meaning of or belonging to.
เธอ เธอ
Means you, often used between close people, regardless of gender, though it is more commonly used to address females. It is typically used in intimate or familiar settings such as between friends, lovers, or family members.
มันเป็นเพลงของเธอ มันเป็นเพลงของเธอ
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. See you next time.